Have you noticed a Tuko Kadi slogan, or rather a hashtag, popping out on your social media platforms? Well, that is a mass voter registration call from the Gen Zs. Come with me in this video as we actually dive into what the Tuko Kadi means for Kenya and for the youth. In recent years, young Kenyans, especially the Gen Z, have found powerful ways to drive national conversations. Through hashtags, slogans, and digital movements, they've made their voices impossible to ignore. We saw it with the campaigns like Reject Finance Bill 2024, and now Tuko Kadi. Now a new phrase, taking over, Tuko Kadi. Tuko Kadi is more than just a slogan. It is a citizen-led push encouraging young people to register as voters ahead of the 2027 general election. And it is now gaining serious momentum, both online and on the ground. But this is not just a trend, it is a shift. Young people are now documenting their journey into civic participation. They are sharing their registration experiences, encouraging friends and family, and turning political conversations into everyday talk. And now, the movement is catching the attention of top political leaders, with President William Ruto already weighing in. His remarks highlight how significant this movement is becoming.
Nataka niwaambie tuko tayari na tuko kadi. Kama mnataka hiyo, tuko kadi tayari. We are ready for you.
Ilipandishwa sana when Ruto jumped on. It was an intellectual theft when our president came and said, Niko Kadi. Bro, Tuko Kadi ya nini? We are here to get you out.
But it is not just one side reacting. Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has also spoken on it, slamming President William Ruto over hijacking the Gen Z slogan.
Kuna ile kijana anaitwa Ademba Allans, ndio mwenye hiyo slogan wa Gen Z. So Gen Z mchukue slogan yenu muendelee. Ruto tumekubaliana, tumempatia kadi yake, lakini yake ni red card. Na unajua ukipata red card lazima uende nyumbani.
From support to criticism, one thing is clear, Tuko Kadi is now shaping the national conversation. Beyond politics, the culture around it is also evolving. Online, some are even joking that dating or befriending someone who is not registered is now a red flag. It is humorous, yes, but it also shows how seriously young people are taking their role in shaping the country's future. At its core, the goal is simple but powerful, to register millions of young voters and make their voices impossible to ignore. If you've already registered, you can verify your details through the IEBC portal using the verification link, where you will need your ID number and your year of birth. If you're not yet registered, visit your nearest registration center or the nearest Huduma center with your national ID or a valid Kenyan passport. And remember, you must be of 18 years of age. Tuko Kadi is an initiative led by the Gen Z to make sure that you, our viewer, understand the freedom you have to vote the right leaders to lead the country. Tuko Kadi, Christabel Njeri, and this is PMTV.